guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm not making this intro long because what I'm about to do is gonna take a minute. Yeah. So today I'm gonna transform myself into Post Malone. I've done this before, like last year I think, around maybe October. Insert videos, photos. But that time I didn't really know what I was doing. I think I know what I'm doing right now. This time Post Malone has more tattoos on his face. So I just pray to God I can do it. Like, I'm gonna follow the camera's point of view when I'm doing the tattoos on my face, so I'm gonna have to do it backwards, which is like already like, if you don't know who I am, what's up, my name is Eva, this is my channel. Yeah, subscribe if you want, all that jazz, I don't know. But I think we shall get on with this video because it's going to take a minute. So it's currently, okay, it's 3:30 showing to time because this is gonna probably take an hour or two. So let's begin. Oh yeah, definitely. Oh my god. This is so funny to me, I can't. Oh god. So for his like theme, I'm gonna like cut up a lot of these and then just cut it down and see what happens. So goddamn messy. Price my whips and price my Guys, I am Posty Maloney. I am done my transformation. This is wild. Oh my god. I even got like the little pieces of hair up it, kind of. I don't know, I don't have a wig, so I'm kind of trying to make this work. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on Thursday with a Youngblood vlog. Subscribe to my channel to see more stuff like this. I didn't do the tattoo here, so shh. But I hope